Have you lost business opportunities due to a lack of follow-up? Is your WhatsApp overloaded? You don't know how to sell on WhatsApp? I also felt very familiar with these questions, and that is why we decided to create ManyContacts, a CRM based on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you what ManyContacts is, how to create an account, and how it can boost your business through WhatsApp. With this tool, you will be able to centralize and organize thousands of conversations in the same interface, thus facilitating communication with your clients efficiently. The first thing I will teach you is how to create an account with ManyContacts. It is very simple. Fill in the information it asks for. Then click on Enter in ManyContacts. As you can see, a pop-up with a QR code just popped up. All you have to do is set your mobile phone, open the WhatsApp app, go to Settings and select Link Devices. Finally, scan the QR code with your mobile phone. Once logged into ManyContacts, you will be able to enjoy up to 20 tools to grow your business with WhatsApp. Tools such as sending mass messages, creating a chatbot, labels, themes, quick responses, and having your own sales funnel, among many other functions. All of them will help you manage your WhatsApp more efficiently. Currently, more than 3,000 companies use our tool. Plus, you can try it totally free. With a 30-day free period, you will be able to try our tool to familiarize yourself with all its features and decide if it's the right tool for your business. Don't wait any longer to simplify your WhatsApp conversation management. We're waiting for you at ManyContacts.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.